wouldn't want to do this with snow on it.
No.
Because it has a little bit of a outward cant to it.
Yeah. Yes.
Which would make me kind of nervous.
For sure. Subaru can do it.
Super.
Whoa!
Oh.
Oh.
Ah.
Ah. Oh, I would not want to be out.
What are we doing?
So today on Searching for History, we are driving through the Gifford Pinchot National Forest, trying to find Burley Mountain Fire Lookout. So today we have Aaron is with us.
Hello.
And we have Thomas back there.
You can see him. He's kind of dark back there.
And of course I'm Roland, and let's see if we can find this fire lookout. So it's my understanding that the there's no fire lookout that is still being used as a fire lookout. It's all done by maybe plane or satellite. I don't really know, but it's not done from fire lookout looking for smoke. And so today the Burley Mountain Fire Lookout is actually used as a type of B&B where people rent it out and camp up there.
Oh, that's cool.
It's according to the interweb. That's gonna be an awesome view from up here.
Whoa. There's so much tallness here.
I'm starting to get
Oh gosh.
scared.
It's quite high.
Are you having a Timmel's Yoke flashback?
Yeah, this corner up here is going
It
to be
feels-
really interesting.
It feels not as hot as Timmel's Yoke.
It's just as deadly.
Oh, thanks.
Dead's dead.
Thanks for reminding me.
Yeah. Wow.
We're up really high.
I wouldn't want to do this with snow on it.
No.
Because it has a little bit of a outward
Yeah.
cant to it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
Which would make me kind of nervous.
for sure. Subaru can do it.
Super.
Whoa!
Oh.
Oh.
Ah.
Ah. Oh, I would not want to be out.
What are we doing? I don't like it.
We are backing up a little bit.
It's okay if we do a 3-point turn. All right.
Yeah,
I'm just gonna pull my emergency brake and I'll slide the
Just
rear
slide?
end around.
You're gonna.
You're gonna Brody around this thing?
Yeah.
Let's not do that.
Watch out, I'll do a Rockford.
God, no.
Around that? You know,
Wow.
Vin Diesel.
I
This
think-
is insane.
I think
This is
that
awesome.
The road goes right to it though. Look
it
at that.
does.
We'll just park right here. We don't need to go all the way up there, right?
I don't know.
I won't. I don't know. I'm good.
We're good.
My knees. I'm not gonna make it up the hill. No.
Really? You'll do it.
Nope. My knees killed.
Wow, what do you think?
This is incredible.
Have you ever been up to a lookout like this?
No. It's chilly up at the top.
Yeah?
Yeah. I'm glad I brought my jacket.
All right, go up there. Think eagle's nest.
I'm trying really hard not to. Whoa. Yeah.
What's your first impression?
It does feel a lot like the eagle's nest. We're high up.
Yeah, so we went from 70 degrees to 48 degrees up here.
It's quite chilly.
So obviously the information on the internet is not up to date. This is no longer used as a B&B
No.
or a lodge or whatever you want to call
So
it.
it says, lookout restoration in progress. Restoration of Burley Mountain Lookout will take place over the summer of 2022. Completion in 2023.
Okay.
That's why there's like construction stuff,
Yeah.
because they're in the middle of it.
So right here is where there would have been the smoke finder. So basically like a compass that's mounted there, compass in a way, and then you would turn it in the direction of the smoke and get a bearing, and then there would be another lookout tower in another place, and another, and then a third one, and then you would triangulate based on the three bearings, and then on the map
Oh,
you would know
feels
where
very
the forest fire is. Wow, this is incredible.
It feels like this structure is
So in this direction, which is kind of southeast, you can see the base of Mount Adams and then the clouds are blocking it, but that would be a perfect view of Mount Adams. And then over here, which is kind of southwest, you can see Mount St. Helens with the top of it in the clouds. And then Mount Rainier is over here, but of course clouds are blocking it. So on a sunny day, this would be quite an impressive sight. I mean, it's impressive as it is.
Yeah, you can see why this would be the lookout point. You could definitely see where a fire would be coming from in all directions.
Yeah. So
Around
this
here.
is why this is a lookout spot.
Yeah.
Oh, this is incredible. Wow.
So if you're gonna come up here, bring cold weather clothes.
Yeah. It's cold up here.
It's cold.
And for still being August, I'm a little shocked at how cold it is. It's windy. So I believe this was built in 1930 or 1932. No, wait. I don't know. Early 30s.
Early
We'll have to look
30s,
it up
okay.
to
We'll
find
look it
out.
up.
But so look, they have to have guy lines anchoring
I know, because
this,
it's so rickety.
or the wind would just pick
It
up
would just
that
blow
building
it.
and blow it off the top.
Yeah. That's what I was saying. Inside, it's felt so rickety.
Then there's some sort of comm towers up here. Burley Mountain was one of 60 fire lookouts in the Gifford Pinchot National Forest. The lookout was built as part of a permanent fire prevention strategy, although in the end it was not permanent. From around World War II, small planes and expanding road systems across the forest diminished the importance of fire lookouts. Most were eventually abandoned. Today the forests are surveyed for fire by plane. So this is the end of our little adventure to Burley Mountain Lookout. Now we got the long drive back home.
This is a cool thing to come check out. Everyone should do it. Although I think that you should definitely try to come after they have restored it so that you can see it in its full glory. So sometime after the summer of 2023, it should be fully restored.
One thing I would keep in mind is the further you go up the mountain, the rougher the road gets. So you need to really consider what your car can do, because I would say it's really more of a 4x4 journey towards the end.
I wouldn't take a car up here, just a regular car.
All right, we're out of here.